Today we're exploring the serene and inviting world of organic modern design. This style beautifully combines minimalist influences with natural elements, creating contemporary yet cozy spaces. Earthy tones and neutral shades set the stage for a tranquil and harmonious atmosphere. Organic modern design emphasizes the tactile richness of materials like wool, wood, linen, and bouclé. Envision a cozy room featuring a chunky wool rug, smooth wooden tables, and breezy linen curtains. These natural textures bring the outdoors inside, offering both comfort and sophistication. This design approach favors curves, softened angles, and unique irregularities like live wood edges. These shapes add distinctive character to any space, moving away from the straight lines of traditional modern design. Organic forms break the monotony of rigid structures and also mirror the irregular, imperfect patterns found in nature. Asymmetry plays a crucial role in organic modern design. It introduces dynamic, unexpected elements that make spaces more engaging. Imagine an asymmetrical arrangement in your living room, like an off-center piece of artwork or mismatched bedside tables. This trend artfully combines the clean, functional simplicity of Scandinavian design with the minimalist, yet warm and textural depth of Japanese interiors. The Scandinavian influence brings an airy, light-filled ambience, while the Japanese influence celebrates the beauty of natural imperfection and the transience of life. Organic modern design is more than just a style. It's about creating a lifestyle that values mindfulness and tranquility. By incorporating these design principles, you can transform your home into a balanced, peaceful haven.